Data structures and algorithm, one of the most important part of programming. In fact, it's the heart of computer science. And if you want to be a good programmer, then just knowing about the programming language and knowing about the syntaxes of that programming language won't help. You need to have a good hold on data structures and algorithm no matter what programming language you are using. Hi everyone, I am Shubhamoy and I am extremely sorry for change in my voice quality because I don't know why, but my mic suddenly stopped working in the middle of the video. So currently right now I am recording the audio with this neckband. Bear with me because this is going to be a really interesting video. Basically in this video I will be talking about a free DSA course that literally anyone can do. So Google has launched its own data structures and algorithm course on Udacity, which is completely free. I know, Google, Udacity, data structures and algorithm, there are a lot of things going on here, but I will explain each and everything in a while. But before that, make sure that you subscribe to my channel because it helps my channel to grow. Like this video and share it with your friends. By the way, I'm not that good in DSA because I'm into web development and stuff, but I'm learning DSA alongside as well. So I will quickly take you to my computer screen and explain more about this course. As you can see, this is the course right here, Intro to Data Structures and Algorithm by Grow with Google. Basically, Grow with Google is an initiative by Google to skill up people. So let's take a quick look at the content of this particular course. Here it says it's completely free of cost. I will put the link of this course in the description box below. You can go and check it out from there. Timeline, it says approximately 4 weeks, but you can easily complete it within 1 or 2 weeks. And skill level, it is for intermediate. And if you are just getting started with programming, if you are just getting started with DSA, you can also take up this course. This is a pretty good course, and the language that this course will be using is Python. Now let's take a look at the content of this course. There are total of 9 modules, and in the end, the last 3 modules, which is 7, 8 and 9, these 3 are the ones from where you will be getting most values, because in the last 2 modules you will be taught about interviews. You will be having some real good insights about interviews. You will be taught how can you approach a particular problem when you are asked that problem in an interview. You will learn about how can you verbally express your thoughts. So yeah, in lesson 1 it's about introduction and efficiency. Here you will be learning about the outline of this entire course. In lesson 2, means module 2, you will be learning about list based collections, which includes data structures, that includes arrays, linked list, tags and queues. In module 3, you will be learning about searching and sorting. You will be learning about binary search, bubble sort, merge sort and quick sort. In module number 4, you will be learning about maps and hashing. In module number 7, you will be learning about tree data structures. In module number 6, you will be learning about graphs. And this 7th module is pretty interesting because here you will be taught about some of the most famous algorithm in computer science. And the last 2 modules, which are lesson 8 and lesson 9, as I said, these 2 modules will be giving you most values because you will be learning about interviews. So this course is particularly based on the syllabus that Google follow during their interviews. Okay, so this is definitely a good course for data structures and algorithm, but keep in mind that many of the concepts are not covered in this particular course. If you want to have a good grip over DSA, then you definitely need to take up other courses on DSA, or to be specific, I should say you should definitely take up other resources to learn DSA. Many of the concepts are not covered in this particular course. So if you are just new to programming, if you are just getting started with DSA, then this is definitely a good course that you can quickly take up and complete it within 1 or 2 weeks, because this is not a very long course. You are definitely going to learn a lot from this course. So if you like this video, then share it with your friends, comment down your views about this course and subscribe to my channel. With that being said, it's Shubhamoy signing off.